33 Raptors. Not 9, not 41, 33. Why this number? Why not copy Falcon's 3x3 or go full chaos with 41 engines of overkill? Welcome to the Booster Bay, where we don't just watch rockets, we break them down. Let's dissect the math, the madness, and the method behind SpaceX's Goldilocks engine count in one shot. Start with physics. Starship stack, over 5,000 tons of steel, methane, and ambition. You need at least 7,500 tons of thrust to leave the pad, preferably 8,000. One Raptor 2, 230 tons at sea level. So, 9 engines, 2,070 tons. You're not flying, you're a very expensive lawn dart. 33 engines, 7,590 tons. TW ratio, 1.38, just enough to climb with margin. 41, 9,430 tons. Sure, you'll punch a hole in the atmosphere, but you're hauling 25% more complexity for zero extra mission. Next, redundancy. SpaceX doesn't hope engines work, they plan for failure. Lose one on a 9-engine stack, 11% thrust gone, mission dead. Lose 2 on 33, 6% loss, you're still climbing. 33 gives you 2 engine out tolerance without turning the base into a hedgehog. 41, sure, more safety, but you're managing 8 extra failure points for marginal gain, diminishing returns. Now look at the real estate. Super Heavy is 9 meters wide. Raptor bells, 1.3 meters each. 33 fits perfectly in 3 rings, 20 outer, 10 middle, 3 fixed in the core. No overlaps, no extreme canting, no heat shield nightmares. Try 41, you're jamming engines into impossible geometry. Bells kiss, plumbing chokes, the whole base becomes a structural liability. 33 isn't random, it's surgical. And yeah, 33 wasn't Plan A. Early renders, 31 engines, then 29, then boom, 33 locked in. Why? Because SpaceX doesn't over-engineer in PowerPoint. They fly, fail, fix. 33 reuses the same gimbal hardware, feed lines, and thrust puck tooling as the upper stage. Adding 8 more for 41, that's a new booster. Months of redesign for what? Instagram likes? But here's the kicker. Raptor 3 hits 280 plus tons each. Future blocks maybe 29 engines, maybe 35. 33 isn't the end, it's the foundation, a scalable architecture that grows with the engine, not against it. So no, 33 isn't round, it's not simple, it's not sexy, it's perfect. Enough thrust, enough failsafe, enough room to evolve. That's not engineering, that's art. This is the Booster Bay, where rockets don't just launch, they evolve. Smash subscribe, ring the bell, because the next explosion might just be genius.